Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do fun friendly recipes that the whole family can enjoy. Today's recipe is going to do prawns with a lemon quinoa. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So sit back, relax and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
So we start off by cooking our quinoa. Pop our quinoa into a hot pan. Make sure the quinoa has been rinsed first, just take all the husk off it. And to that we add some chicken or vegetable stock, whichever you prefer. Give that a stir, bring it to the boil, pop the lid on and leave it to cook as per the manufacturer's instructions. This normally takes about 10 or 15 minutes. Now as you can see, our quinoa is cooked, it's nice and fluffy, so just move it to the side in the pan with the lid on just to keep it warm. Now we'll start to work on our prawns. So we spray some olive oil onto our pan. So we pop our uncooked prawns into the pan. And to that we add some smoked paprika. Give it a stir, cook the prawns through. Once the prawns are fully cooked, take them off onto a warm plate and we'll start to work then on our beans and quinoa mix. So it's the same pan we add our prawns in, we drop in some butter. We let the butter melt into that, then we add some olive oil. This helps to stop the butter from burning. Now we add our mixed beans. We let them cook for a couple of minutes, just to take the flavour of the paprika of the pan from the prawns. And then we add some capers. And some lemon juice. Now make sure the beans are fully cooked. Once they are, we'll add some quinoa. So now we add our warm cooked quinoa. Just give it a good stir to make sure that it's all the flavours and everything is incorporated. And then we add some parsley. Again, give it a good stir. And now we're ready to serve. So to our dish we add some beans and quinoa mix, and then we top it with the prawns. I hope you enjoyed this video for prawns with lemon quinoa, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.